Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you some more mom hacks, life hacks, just some hacks to help you to make your life easier. So stay tuned. You know when you have those sliding rugs in your house, every time you walk on it, it moves? So annoying, right? What you can do is use a hot glue gun, flip it over, put some hot glue on the back, let it dry, and flip it back over. That rug ain't gonna move no more. You can also do this on the bottom of your baby socks. A lot of their socks nowadays are already made with the slip proof, but just in case you have a few pair that doesn't have it, you can use a hot glue gun and put it on the bottom of the socks, let it dry, boom, you got a slip proof socks. The headache you get when you're trying to change a toddler. They're flipping around, they're twisting their body, they just won't stay still. Well, whenever you're changing your toddler, what you can do is give them a toy. Make sure you have something unusual, or even if it's not a toy, they like stuff that are not toys anyways, you know. So if it's a spatula, hand it to them. If it is your keys, hand it to them. The remote control, hand it to them. You'll be surprised how that keep them still for those couple minutes that you need to change your diaper. Try it. I shared this one the other day, but it is so good I had to share it again. If you have a sick child, coughing child, and you want to stop that cough, what you can do is rub a vapor rub on the bottom of their feet, their chest, their back, the upper part of their back, and their neck. Put on a sock on their feet, boom, no more coughing. So if you have a child that is coughing, you need to try this. It really helps. Having a baby in your house is a huge adjustment. We as adults, most of the time, well, at least I don't take naps during the day. So my house is always light and bright, and I like it that way. But now you have a baby in the mix, they want to nap in the daytime, they're confused because it's too bright, right? So what you can do to make the room dark is buy some blackout curtains. They have these curtains, whenever you pull them apart, the room is light and airy and bright, but whenever you close them, it's like it's night outside. I promise you. At least the good ones. I'm gonna link this one in the description box. I've had this one for a year now. TJ's a year old, and I love it. We love it. Right now he's taking a nap and it's just perfect. So again, for nap time, blackout curtains will be your best friend to help that baby take a good nap. I know a lot of moms are so busy. Some of us have a full-time job plus a baby plus other kids, whatever. Life is just busy. We're go. We don't even have time to clean the bathroom. This little tip is gonna help so much. What you can do is leave a scrubby in your tub. When you're done taking a shower, you know, the residue from the soap, leave the soap scum on the tub. When you're done taking a shower, just use your feet with the scrubby and just rub it off. If you do that every time you take a shower, your tub will always be clean. There you go, guys. Some more mom life hacks. I'm gonna call them mom life hacks because, yeah, mom/life, because some of them is not really mom hack, but they're so good. It can help you make your life easier. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that like button, baby, and share the video. Share the video with other people that you think this video would be helpful. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. Okay, you don't miss it. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.